how to make plant in Little Alchemy 2. If you want to make plant in Little Alchemy 2 game, we have 4 basic elements at first. We have air, earth, fire and water. So first we will add earth and water to create a mud. We will combine air and air to create pressure. Now we will combine earth and pressure to create a stone. We will combine stone and mud to create a clay. Once we have clay, what we will just leave this aside for now. So once we have clay, we will combine water and water to create a puddle, puddle and puddle to create a pond, pond and pond to create a lake, lake and lake to create a sea. Now what we will do is, once we have sea, we will combine earth to sea to create a primordial soup. Now what we have to do is create energy. To create energy, we will combine fire and we have energy. We will combine energy to primordial soup to create life. Now all we have to do is we have to create a soil now, right? Now soil, you just have to add earth to life to create a soil. Once we have soil, we will combine life to soil to create a plant. And that's simply it on how you can create or make a plant in Little Alchemy 2. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.